What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a broken glass on a single hung double pane window. So if you look here, it's cracked all the way down. Alright, so first you're going to go ahead and unlock the window. And then on your left side you got a push tab here and another one on the right. So go ahead and just raise it a little bit. Once you do that, you're going to grab this left tab here and the right tab at the same time, and that'll pull the window out. It comes right out just like this, and you're going to remove this plastic trim here. One here, here, and here. Now once you remove all four trim pieces, you're going to see here it's gone. So it's opened up all the way around. Now, I'm gonna push this back up, and you're gonna get a scraper or something thin enough. You wanna stick right here in between, and you wanna clean out the caulk all the way around. And once you remove all of the caulk from between the window and the frame, then you'll be able to push this window right out. So, and this is what you want. You want to make sure whatever tool you're using to remove this caulk, that your scraper or your tool goes all the way through and you're cleaning out the caulk, okay? So you can have an easy removal of this window. So once you remove all the caulk around the perimeter, you should be able to just push it right out. And be careful when you do it if you have a broken glass. You might want to put some gloves on. So now we're going to go ahead and just pick this glass up, remove it out of the way, and then you're going to clean all of this caulk. This old caulk, you want to make sure you scrape all of that off before you put the new caulk down. So once you remove your broken glass, go ahead and remove all of the caulk. All right, you can use that same scraper, get all of it out. Then once you're done, you're gonna lay a new bead of caulk all the way around the frame, and then sit your new glass in. And then these four little rubber stops are gonna go in between the glass and the frame. And then after that, you're just gonna put all of your plastic trims back on, and then you're done. So here's the silicone that I'm going to use for the new window and the frame. I actually got this from the company that I purchased this new glass from, which is a Glass Doctor. I'll link that in the description. Actually, they will do a quote for you. They'll come out, measure, and they'll give you a quote. For that glass, it was $180. And I just had to go pick it up from the location in Houston. When I actually had them quoted for them to do the labor, it was $430, which is ridiculous. So I told them if it was possible to just quote me for the glass, which they did, and it was $180. So I would highly recommend purchasing your glass from Glass Doctor. All right, here's your new glass. Looks good. No more broken glass. Here's the old one here. That's it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.